Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. As y'all may have seen, I broke my oven door in 2 videos ago. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. It's pretty funny, but we got a package in the mail. I'm pretty positive it's the glass to our oven door, so we are going to fix that today. I got my TikTok outfit on. It's got pockets, so I have my good trusty screwdriver in my pocket, and I don't have a box cutter, so we're just going to open this box with a knife. Let's get started. Man, this thing is heavy. But it's all intact, thank God. And it's ready to be put on our oven door. First step is we need to put a towel or a blanket or something on the ground. Now we're going to open the oven door. These things do pop out. The mistake that I made last time was you're supposed to put this thing up to like a 45-degree angle and then pull up on it and take it off. So I strongly suggest, if you're gonna do this, watch a specific video on your oven, and you can do that by Googling your model number that's in your oven, and mine is in this bottom drawer. So that's how I found the glass for this door and how I found out how to repair the glass for this door. So we have our door at a 45-degree angle. Okay, that was much smoother. Our next step is going to be to unscrew these 4 screws down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put that screw in my handy dandy pocket. Okay, we got all 4 screws in my pocket. Now we're going to move to our handle screws. Okay, now you want to move the handle. And the video I watched said that this part is sharp. I don't really know how, but use caution. You're gonna just take this part off. So now you're gonna put this thing in, and you want it foil side up. So pay attention to this part because you want this foil to be on the inside. You do not want it to be on the outside. Now we're gonna add the back of the door back on. We got the back of the oven door back on, and the instructions said to put the handle back on first. So we're gonna just go ahead and put this handle on. Now we're going to add the screws at the bottom. That was a lot harder than the video made it out to be, but let's put this thing back on. So you're gonna go at this thing at a 45-degree angle. Now you're gonna flip these things back up. Woo! That's a thumbs up from me. Now we have a perfectly good oven to cook dinner in. If you like the content you saw today, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time.